Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix screen dimming on Realme 16. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down. Scroll down and click on display and brightness. After click on display and brightness, so you will see if you want to fix this problem, so turn off adaptive brightness button. After turn off auto brightness button, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, again click on settings app, click on display and brightness. If you want to fix this problem, so turn off dark mode. Click on light mode and you will see dark mode is turned off. After turn off dark mode, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and you will see swipe up and restart device from here. After restarting, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, last option is reset all settings. Click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and update. Click on backup and reset and click on reset phone. Click on reset all settings, enter phone pin and click on reset. You will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix screen dimming on Realme 16. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.